In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a JPG or PNG image into a DWG file using Autocad step by step. This is super useful if you need to add a logo, reference image, site plan, sketch, or any other picture directly into your drawing. I'll also show you two easy methods, so whether you prefer using the Insert tab or a simple drag and drop, you'll be able to do this quickly and confidently. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first method is using the attach option, which is the most reliable way to insert an image into your DWG. Start by opening your drawing in AutoCAD. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. In the Insert tools, find the Attach button. This is the option that lets you bring external files, like images, into your current drawing. Click Attach and a file browser window will appear. Now browse to the location where your JPG or PNG file is saved. Select the image you want to insert and then click Open. After that, AutoCAD will open an insertion dialog where you can control how the image is placed. Here, you'll usually see options for insertion point, scale, and rotation. You can either specify these settings manually or leave them to be picked onto screen, depending on how you want to place the image. If you want more control, you can check the settings first and then click OK. Once you confirm, AutoCAD will ask you to click in the drawing area to place the image. Move your cursor to the exact area where you want the JPG or PNG to appear, then click to set the insertion point. From there, you can adjust the scale and rotation as needed so the image fits properly inside your DWG. This method is great because it gives you more control over placement, sizing, and orientation. It's especially helpful if you need the image to line up with other geometry in your drawing. Now let's move to the second method, which is even faster if you just want to get the image into AutoCAD quickly. Open AutoCAD and make sure your drawing is ready. Then go to the folder where your JPG or PNG file is stored. Simply click and drag the image file prom into the AutoCAD drawing area. Once you drop it into the workspace, AutoCAD will place the image into the file. After that, you can move it, resize it, and position it where you want. This drag and drop method is very convenient for quick imports, but you may still need to scale the image carefully so it matches your drawing accurately. If the image looks too big or too small, use the grips or move commands to adjust it until it fits correctly. One important thing to remember is that images inserted into AutoCAD are usually linked as external references, so if you move the source file later, AutoCAD may not be able to find it. For best results, keep your image file in a stable folder location while working on the drawing. That way, your JPG or PNG stays connected properly and your DWG opens without missing file issues. So to quickly recap, you can insert a JPG or PNG into AutoCAD by either using the Insert tab and Attach option, or by dragging and dropping the image directly into the drawing area. Both methods work well, and the one you choose depends on how much control you want during placement. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy AutoCAD tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.